incredibly windy right now. Right now we're going to Cars and Coffee, and right now I'm washing my car, and I kind of don't want to wash it because it's windy and the water's gonna go everywhere all over me. But you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Hey, lift it up. I should have got it.
God, that's so badass. Wow.
Turbo inlet.
Sick.
Turbo inlet right there.
It makes the engine look so much more built.
Sick.
Oh, doesn't it make it look more built?
Yeah.
Damn. That's badass.
Alright guys, so we just got to the Cars and Coffee. Some pretty nice cars here. This is goals right here though. Clean S3 right here. But this i8's beautiful.
Niles, what's up?
Say what's up.
Bro, there's some pretty clean cars here.
I know.
With the black one, oh.
Yeah, over there.
That's clean.
Clean. I'll tell you what, these cars sound so good. These cars, that V8 in them, one of the best, I think the best sounding V8.
Bro, look at the interior. It's so sick, bro.
That's exactly the way I had mine.
Bro, that's no way.
These cars
Dude.
fascinate me, bro, just because my dad used to have them.
Ah, they're just sick, bro. They're gonna be vintage when they watch. Mark my words. This car's so sick. Goals.
I don't know if job right now, so it's the fun of it.
TVs.
This wrap is crazy.
Clean right here. I think these are the ones that have the VR6. You don't like psychedelic? Oh my god, dude. If I wanted a daily, I'd get one of these, bro.
Bro, this R32, I'm fucking...
Charge it at home and everything. Another R32.
Especially for gas.
I know. I don't want to gas bill, but at the same time, like, gas bill, like,
I've been sitting at 260 for a while for premium. I'm like, that's good. That's good.
I know.
Look at this. I hit my head on that.
This is a sleep.
Oh my god.
Bro,
Bro, this would be sick. This would be sick though.
next to you, you're quick.
Yeah, this would be sick.
That is so
Has anybody ever seen this before?
It's so good.
Out here with a Roush with Ferrari taillights. Hey, it doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look like bootleg. This is clean though. I think this is clean, bro. This black paint still looks good. When fitment's important.
Well, that it's oh, it's God, that thing sounds
That startup was sick. No, they do that, bro.
Which one? It's like my one.
best sounding V8, way better than 5.0 ever.
I know, bro. That's the best of
Right there.
Carbon ceramics. Those brakes are insane, dude. These wheels are insane, bro. Look.
Look at the brakes, bro.
I know, it's because they're carbon ceramics. If I wanted a luxury car, I'd cop this. If I was big baller, dentist, doctor. Marcus is in a Racist 5.0 right now, just pulled up on us. Trying to catch up right now, but about to switch to E85, so I'm on 0. But I filled up and it didn't want to go up. I filled up like a gallon, so I think I'm good. I think it still should be like at 30 miles, but it didn't want to match it. All right, guys. Didn't tell you guys, but I'm about to race a GTR right now. And the GTR, I have no idea what's done to it, but I know for a fact that it's tuned. It might be stage 2. I don't know, but it has an AMS. If I'm correct, it's an AMS license plate frame. So, I mean, nobody has an AMS license plate frame without buying none of their products. So, yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. And yeah, and I forgot to mention that it is a 2016 GTR. That is the year. So I'm not racing any 2009, 2010. This one has the bigger turbos than the 2009 and 2010 early models. So yeah, it's gonna be more of a competition than any other. And we hit 100%. Successful.
Okay.
All right, guys, so we came to a car meet right now before those races happen, and this is where we're gonna meet up the people. We're gonna talk to them probably. And right now I'm linking up with Marcus and his dad. All right, guys, so we're going right now to race. We're down a race. I think we're gonna go do a 30, 40, or 50 rule. People are saying that the GTR got a new tune. Maybe he's stage 2 now or something. I'm not sure. They don't really like to say what's done to their GTR, but last time it was tuned, and now he got a new tune. So I don't know. I thought last time he was stage 2, but we're not sure. We're gonna see what goes. And yeah.
40.
Yeah, right here is cool. 40. Ready? One more? 30? Okay. 30. Okay, ready? Top it! Oh my god, the top end that was pulling, bruh. 50. Ready? Ready? That 50 to 160 real quick. All right, guys, I just want to mention something, and it's that all this racing was done in Mexico on a private course. So I don't condone any street racing. Don't be street racing. And yeah, hit it. More Volkswagen gang. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, I had a lot of fun today, dude. Man, those races were I'm honestly feel so tired right now because all the adrenaline I got, dude. It was intense, but as you guys saw what happened in the videos, I figured out that the GTR is stage 2, it has downpipes. I forget what exhaust it has too, and you could hear that it has aftermarket intakes. So it has to be on a stage 2 too. So yeah, like I said, dude, good runs, dude. I honestly didn't know that was gonna happen. I didn't know I was gonna win that race. I honestly thought I was gonna get beat. Probably not by that much, but very excited that happened. If you guys want me to do more races with cars like GTRs and, you know, high horsepower cars like that, cars who have a reputation, put down in the comments. Let me know cars that you think I should race, or off a dig, roll, whatever it may be. Whatever it is, put the details down in the comments and I'll take it into consideration, and I'll try to find somebody with similar setup or whatever. Or if you live nearby and in the Pacific Northwest and you want to set something up, go down in the comments and let me know, or add me on Instagram. My Instagram's always in my description of all my videos. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.